Greetings, space enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through the life of an astronaut. Imagine gazing at the stars, dreaming of the unknown, and then dedicating your life to exploring it. This is the beginning of an astronaut's journey. It starts right here on Earth with years of rigorous training and preparation. It's not just about the physical strength, but the mental tenacity to overcome the most challenging circumstances. An astronaut's training is as diverse as the universe itself. They need to acquire a variety of skills, some of which might surprise you. Survival training, for instance, is essential. It prepares them for the unexpected, like landing in a remote or hostile terrain upon their return to Earth. They learn to endure harsh environments, from the freezing cold to the scorching heat, and how to find food and water in the most unforgiving landscapes. Now, let's rocket away from the wilderness and into the intricacies of spacecraft operations. The astronauts spend countless hours understanding and mastering the systems that will be their lifeline in the vast void of space. They learn to repair, maintain, and troubleshoot the very machines that keep them alive millions of miles away from home. But it's not all about the hard skills. The mental and emotional fitness of an astronaut is equally, if not more, important. Imagine being confined in a small space, away from your loved ones, with the same faces day in and day out. It requires a certain kind of mental fortitude to handle the isolation and constant pressure that comes with the job. Astronauts also need to be excellent team players. They work in a close-knit group where every decision matters, every action counts. They learn to trust and rely on each other, forming bonds that are as strong as the spacecraft they travel in. So, the journey to becoming an astronaut is not a walk in the park. It's a path paved with dedication, resilience, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. As we delve deeper into the life of an astronaut, remember this: every step of the journey is a testament to the human spirit and its relentless pursuit of the unknown. Having conquered the challenges of training, an astronaut is now ready to step into their second home, the spacecraft. This isn't your typical home with a cozy fireplace and a comfy couch. Instead, it's a marvel of human engineering, a testament to our boundless curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The spacecraft, compact yet comprehensive, is a labyrinth of technology, each component with a specific vital role to play. It's a microcosm of life on Earth, but with the added thrill of floating in zero gravity. At the helm of this intricate matrix is the astronaut, the pilot, the engineer, the scientist, the explorer. They are the caretaker of this celestial vessel, responsible for its operation and maintenance. Every button they press, every switch they flip, every knob they turn has a purpose. A single miscalculation could spell disaster, but with rigorous training and an unyielding spirit, the astronaut navigates through these complexities with ease and precision. The spacecraft is divided into different sections, each serving a unique purpose. The flight deck, the astronauts' main workstation, is where they control the spacecraft. The living quarters, compact but functional, is where they eat, sleep, and exercise. The laboratory is their research haven, where they conduct experiments that could potentially change our understanding of the universe. In this spacecraft, the astronaut is both a tenant and a custodian. They live in it, they care for it, they rely on it for their survival. They must know it like the back of their hand, from the oxygen supply system to the waste disposal unit, from the navigation controls to the communication devices. Living in a spacecraft is not just about surviving in space. It's about thriving, learning, and pushing the frontiers of human knowledge. It's about understanding our place in the cosmos, our relationship with the universe, and our potential to reach beyond our home planet. In the spacecraft, every inch counts, every button matters, and for an astronaut, this intricate maze of technology becomes a second home. But what does an astronaut do in space? Is it all work and no play? Well, let's dive into the intriguing world of zero gravity and see how our stellar explorers balance their job duties and leisure activities. Astronauts are indeed the scientists, engineers, and technicians of the cosmos. They conduct a myriad of experiments that can only be performed in the weightless environment of space. These can range from studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to observing cosmic phenomena. Simply put, their work is instrumental in expanding our understanding of the universe and ourselves. In addition to research, astronauts also play the role of caretakers for their spacecraft. They are responsible for maintaining the systems that keep them alive and the vessel functioning. This can involve anything from repairing a leak in the hull to ensuring the solar panels are working efficiently. But life in space isn't all about work. Astronauts also need time to unwind and relax, just like us back on Earth. With no gravity to hold them down, they find unique ways to enjoy their downtime. Physical exercise is an essential part of their routine, not just for physical health, but also for mental well-being. They might run on a treadmill with a harness or do resistance training with specially designed equipment. And what's more fun than a workout when you're floating? They also have access to a library of digital media. They can watch movies, read books, or even play video games. Some astronauts have even been known to play a musical instrument during their off-duty hours. Imagine playing a guitar while floating in zero gravity, looking out at the stars. So you see, even in the vast emptiness of space, astronauts find a way to make their life vibrant and fulfilling. They balance the rigors of their work with the joy of leisure, creating a harmonious existence amidst the stars. So, even amidst the stars, astronauts find a way to balance work and play. In the vast expanse of space, an astronaut's silent companions are the satellites. Satellites are the unsung heroes of our modern world. They are sophisticated pieces of technology that orbit our planet, tirelessly performing a variety of tasks. From weather monitoring and telecommunications to navigation and exploration, satellites play an integral role in our daily lives. In space, these silent companions become even more important. They are the eyes and ears of astronauts, providing critical communication links and data that help them carry out their missions. You see, satellites are designed to orbit around the Earth, following a path we call an orbit. Some satellites are closer to our planet and orbit quite quickly, while others are further away and take longer to complete a single orbit. This constant movement allows satellites to cover vast portions of the Earth's surface, collecting and transmitting information back to us on the ground. But how do astronauts interact with these silent companions? Here's where things get interesting. Astronauts aboard spacecraft, like the International Space Station, use satellites for a variety of purposes. For instance, they use weather satellites to understand the atmospheric conditions of Earth. This helps them anticipate any potential challenges that could affect their mission. Telecommunication satellites are another essential tool. These satellites allow astronauts to maintain contact with mission control, send and receive messages, and even connect with their loved ones back home. Satellites also play a vital role in scientific research. They collect vast amounts of data about our universe, from the behavior of distant stars and galaxies to the radiation levels in space. This information is invaluable to astronauts and scientists alike, helping us understand our place in the universe. So, while astronauts may be millions of miles from home, they are never truly alone. Their silent companions, the satellites, are always there, watching, listening, and communicating. Satellites, the silent sentinels of space, are crucial companions for our astronauts, ensuring they're never truly alone. As all good things must come to an end, so does an astronaut's journey in space. But what have we learned? Our journey began with an exploration of the rigorous training astronauts undergo before they can even dream of stepping foot on a spacecraft. From physical endurance tests to mental resilience exercises, each astronaut must prove their mettle, honing their skills to withstand the harsh realities of space. Next, we took a closer look at their second home, the spacecraft. These marvels of human engineering are equipped with everything an astronaut needs to survive and work in space. From advanced life support systems to cutting-edge communication devices, these spacecraft are a testament to our technological prowess. Then, we delved into the fascinating aspects of life in space, where the absence of gravity creates an environment unlike anything we experience on Earth. We learned how astronauts adapt to these conditions, conducting scientific experiments, maintaining the spacecraft, and even finding time for leisure activities. The challenges are immense, but the human spirit is even greater. We also shed light on the astronauts' silent companions, the satellites. Orbiting our planet, these silent sentinels play a crucial role in scientific research, weather prediction, and global communication. They are the unsung heroes of space exploration, working tirelessly to gather information and aid in navigation. In summary, the life of an astronaut is a testament to human courage, ingenuity, and the insatiable desire to explore the unknown. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible, revealing new frontiers and sparking our curiosity. The life of an astronaut, filled with challenges, discoveries, and a unique perspective of our universe, truly is a journey like no other. Until next time, keep looking up and keep exploring.